Here I am again, and I'm about to go outside and shoot some more airsoft BBs at my targets. And I'll be bringing my tripod out again, and let's go do this. Hey guys, I'm back, and I just hurt my hand so bad pinching it on the tripod. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go get one of my airsoft guns, the one I was using last time where it ran out of ammo. I'll be back. Hey, I'm here. This is the press one again with the laser. Let's see if it works this time. Yep. You just can't see it. I'm semi-automatic again. I guess my gun all down my shirt. Let me get my aim in. Oh! No wait, okay good. No way it ran out. Okay, here's full auto. Let's do this. Okay. It's out. I love these. Safe. I'll be back with my other one. Here it is. Instead of making it into two, I'll make it all into one. This is so cold. Metal. Since it's made out of metal. This one. It's like freezing. But for you guys, I can do this. Oh. This bag is ready. Okay, that's full out of it. Yes, it landed. I think I'm out. Nope. No, where am I? Good thing this clip is see-through. No, I'm out. Come on. Got rolled up though.